Welcome to PC Error Detective, where we tackle common PC issues with easy solutions. Today, we're diving into how to turn off sync on Google Chrome in Windows. If you find our content helpful, consider subscribing to stay updated with all our latest guides. Let's begin. Step 1. Launch Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Chrome icon on your desktop or searching for it in the Start menu. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window. Here, you'll see your profile icon. Give that a click. Step 3. A drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, there's an option that says Sync is on, indicating that your Chrome browser is currently syncing your data. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. After clicking on Sync is on, you'll be presented with a new page. On this page, you'll find the Turn Off button. Clicking this will disable the sync feature, stopping Chrome from synchronizing your bookmarks, history, passwords, and more across your devices. And that's it. You've successfully turned off sync in Google Chrome. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.